Are you doing a data migration such as moving files and folders from one server to another? Or from your local server into the cloud? Or from your current file system to a content management system like SharePoint or OpenText? Or are you just restructuring your current file system? These can cause you to lose data due to broken file links. Now, you could try to handle that manually, but even if you use some search and replace script, you could be looking at hundreds or thousands of man-hours, not to mention lots of complaining end users. I'm going to give you an overview of a much faster and safer way. Link Fixer Advanced has a number of ways to handle links. In this short presentation, I'll cover just one of those methods. It has 3 phases. First, before you migrate, have Link Fixer Advanced prepare your links. Second, conduct your data migration or file system restructuring using whatever procedures and applications you like. Finally, after you've completed your project, Link Fixer Advanced will automatically fix all of your links.
Stand by for a quick overview of how it works. So let's begin with the first phase of the overall process. Inoculate means to prepare and protect. In this case, to protect your files against the disease of broken links. First, I need to select folders of files I want to inoculate. As you can see, I've selected sample files of Excel and Word. We have filters that allow you to selectively process only certain file types and certain types of links. But for this demonstration, I'm going to leave these filters at their default settings, which will process all the files in the folders I've selected. The preview tells us what Link Fixer Advanced is about to do, so that we can make sure it's what we want. Notice that it displays each link and its status before and after. In this case, before, this link is unprotected, and after, it will be inoculated. Let's go ahead and process these files. Now, Link Fixer Advanced will process our selected sample files in a matter of seconds. As you can see, here it's processing the files. This section of the results summary shows exactly how many files have been processed or skipped when they don't have links. And over here, exactly what's happening with our links. All right, so now we're going to simulate a file migration by doing a simple cut and paste with these sample files. Let's open one of these sample files, and as you can see, this document is a mess. Look at all these broken links. All right, let me close this file and go back to Link Fixer Advanced. I'm going to go back to the home screen and select Cure, which will automatically fix all of our inoculated broken links. Now, when you do a data migration or restructuring, links will break. But we've already inoculated all of our links before our migration, so that after the migration, Link Fixer Advanced can now restore all of our sample file links. Let's do that. So as before, you can see I've selected folders. I've selected the actual location of the data migration with the Excel and Word sample files. Okay, now we have filters for files and for links as before, but again, in this case, I'm going to keep the default settings, which will process all of our files and links. Let's take a look at the preview. Now the preview is going to tell us what Link Fixer Advanced is about to do, just like with Inoculate. It's going to show us each link with its status before and after. As you can see before, the link is broken with the original file path, and after, it will be cured with its new location file path. Excellent. Let's go ahead and do that. Run this process. Cure has 2 steps. The first step scans all of our files and their broken links that need to be cured, skipping any files without links. The second step actually takes all of our broken links and maintains the link so that it works again in its new location. And as you can see, the process says it's complete. Now let's do the final test and take a look at the same file that was ruined due to having so many broken links. You can see it's all back. We did it. Contact one of our representatives today to find out more. This is just a simple migration, but Link Fixer Advanced can do this on thousands and even millions of files in a single processing run. The only difference being that the more files you have, the longer it will take Link Fixer Advanced to do its job. But in any case, it's 1,000 times faster than fixing your files manually or by using a search and replace tool. And that's how Link Fixer Advanced can make your file migrations both fast and easy. Contact one of our representatives today to find out more.